everybody, this is elevator 14 here at Beaumont Service Center in Southfield, Michigan. 14, this is the glass one. This one's pretty cool. Here we are, one. There's the serial number. Let's go to 6. Glass. Look at that, you can see Northwestern Service Drive. Alright, who's coming up? Hi, coming up?
Yes.
Which one are you going to?
6th floor.
6?
Follow.
Okay, no problem. Excuse me.
Just right in the middle
Yep. I like the way they work. It's been a hobby since I was young, you know, just the way they work and stuff. I do documentaries pretty much of, you know, elevators around the state. So. Have a great day. There goes, that will be it.